we're now going to be creating the axle for the automata. So that's what we're going to use to actually turn it. So go to set 2 and take the two long pieces, insert them through the slits into each other, and you should get a long plus shaped piece. So the cross section should have a plus shape to it. This is the axle. Once again, you can use glue here if needed, but you don't need to use it. The idea is that this will go through the two remaining holes in the automata casing, and we'll add a handle to this, and this will therefore turn the automata in the end. What we'll do next is add the handle for this axle. So these are the other pieces you'll have to take from set 2 packet to do the same thing. This will be in a separate pouch. So once again, you'll have two cross section pieces, connect them to form a little plus. That will be the handle. Now let's remove it from the casing to make it, because that'll be easier. You'll notice there's a piece with two pluses on it. Insert both the axle on one side and the handle on the other side, such that it forms a long axle essentially with a handle that you can hold. So once you are done, it should look something like this. Now remember, again, these steps don't need glue, they're meant to be a little tight. The two little circles are called beading, and that's what is used to ensure that the axle doesn't move too much once it's put inside the automata casing. So for now, we're actually going to put one beading through. So you'll have to insert it in the beginning and then push it all the way to the end. It's a little difficult when you put it in the beginning, since I have not used glue here. So you have to just kind of make sure the plus shape matches perfectly. Once you push it in a little bit, it goes in perfectly. And then again, we're not finalizing this step, but essentially the beading is used to keep the axle in place. So there we have the bead, the axle, and the handle, and we'll be attaching followers in the vertical slots next.